Okay, we've got our figure finished now, and our boot, and our, okay, now what we're going to need for this, to finish this and assemble him is some super glue, some line, some fishing line, and some scissors to cut the line with. So what we do is I cut off a long piece of line so that I can have it for the assembling. And I'm going to take all I'm going to do is start twisting that line around that reel like this, just like this, where it comes out. All I did was just I just twisted that around that line there, and I'm going to super glue that together. Okay? Just like that. Then I'm going to continue with the line on with the okay, let me see. And I'm going to super glue that on the end there. Okay? Let that stick. See what I'm doing? All I'm doing is I'm just running the line of the fishing pole. That's all. Just like that. See? Well, it didn't stick on the end. Super glue. Sometimes this super glue just does not work the way I want it to. But it's good. It's you have to hold it on there for a minute. Anyway, okay. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. When we get in position, we'll do that. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to stick the line through the hand just like this. We're going to stick it through the hand. There we go. And we're going to pull this through here. Okay? All right. Now, when I'm showing you how to do this, we're going to pull that through there with the line, just like this. There we go. Where the line in the hand and the fishing pole comes all the way through the hand, just like this. See? Just like that. We're going to take this string and we're going to, there we go. Now, see that? We stretch that all the way through there, just like that. And I'll try to super glue this. Let me try to put a little super glue here, here, and just put the line on there and just kind of just let that set for a minute. Let that super glue dry. Where he's holding the fishing line. Because it's got to be dry. And at the edge here, I'm going to put a little super glue. Alright, we're letting that dry. It always takes a little bit longer because you got to let everything dry. But you see the general idea. See how it is. We've got the fishing pole, the line in the fishing pole. We've got that. Now, we're going to take the line and we're going to take it and we're going to wrap it, come through here. Okay, for some reason that's not working right here. I don't know why this super glue is not staying right here. But for some reason I'm having trouble with it sticking. Maybe you have a better glue. Maybe I need some epoxy or something, but anyway. Anyway, I'll have to get, for some reason the super glue is not working right. I may have to get another tube. It's not drying correctly for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, it should have no problems with it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me some more glue, and I'll get back with you, and we'll finish this project, okay? All right.